So you've been putting it off. I start investing when I have more money, when things settles down, when I actually know what I'm doing. And meanwhile, another year passes. Most people think investing is only for people who already have money, that you need thousands of dollars just to get started. That is complicated, risky, and not meant for you. And that's exactly why most people never start. But the truth is, you can start investing today with just $100. And that 100, if used the right way, can completely change your financial future. Not because of the amount, but because of when you started. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's talk about the real cost of waiting to invest. This is the part most people never see because nobody shows them the numbers. Two people, same income, same $100 per month to invest. Person A starts at 25. Person B, they start at 35. Both invest $100 every single month. Both earn about a 7% annual return. Both stop at age 65. Person A invested for 40 years. Total contributions, $48,000. Final balance, $262,000. Person B invested for 30 years. Total contribution, $36,000. Final balance, $121,000. This is the same $100 per month, but with a 10-year head start, there's a $141,000 difference. That difference didn't just come from contributions, it came from time. Time in the market. This is compound growth doing its job, quietly, consistently, every single month. This is why starting today matters more than the amount you invest. Now that you understand why starting matters, let's talk about how to do this without overcomplicating things. Before we get into the details, you'll only need to understand three things: where your money goes, what you invest in, and how to stay consistent. That's it. Everything else is noise. Just want to keep this as simple as possible. Let's start with accounts. If your employer offers a retirement account like a 401k or 403b with a match, this is where you want to start because an employer matches free money. After that, the next step is a Roth IRA. Your money grows tax-free and you will pay zero taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. If you don't have access to those, you can start a regular brokerage account. The key is simple. You don't need all three to start. You just need one. Now, what do you actually invest in? This is where most beginners get overwhelmed. There are thousands of stocks, hundreds of options. Ignore almost all of it. For beginners, you only need to understand two things: index funds and ETFs. These allow you to invest in the entire market with a single purchase. You want to look for ones with a low expense ratio, something like VOO or VTI. You don't need to overthink it. Just pick one and move forward. The decision matters less than actually starting. Now let's talk about risk. Yes, the market goes up and it goes down. In 2008, the market dropped by nearly 40%. In 2020, it dropped over 30% in just a month. But in both times, it recovered. The people who lost money were the ones who sold. People who stayed consistent, who kept investing every month, they recovered everything and more. This is called dollar cost averaging. And it's how ordinary people build wealth. The biggest risk isn't investing, it's never starting. So, here's a simple action plan. Step 1. Check if your employer offers a 401k or 403b match. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA. Step 3. Invest your first $100. Step 4. Buy one index fund. Step 5. Automate your contributions. That's your entire system. No complexity needed. And over time, compound growth does the heavy lifting for you. $100 today can turn into hundreds over time, but consistency is what changes everything. $100 a month over decades can grow into six figures. This is not a get-rich-quick plan. This is a get-rich, slow, but certain plan. The best investment you will ever make is the one you actually start. Not the perfect one, not the optimized one, the one you start. Start with $100. Start today. If this made investing feel simple, the next step is making sure your money is set up the right way. Because most people don't have an investing problem, they have a money system problem. In the next video, I'll show you 3-account system that controls your spending, build your savings, and fund your investment automatically. So you stop relying on discipline and start relying on structure. Watch that next, because that's the piece most people are missing. And if you haven't grabbed the free rent budget template yet, it's linked in the description below. It's completely free. And remember, small moves leads to big wealth. See you in the next one.